Aloha everyone, John Ballesteros from Power. A lot of people have been asking about the federal solar tax credit. So today, I'm gonna explain it in simple terms. But before I do, disclaimer. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a tax preparer, I'm not an accountant, so please see your tax professional for advice on this subject. Let's go! So what is the federal solar tax credit? Basically, it's a dollar for dollar reduction on the federal taxes that you owe. So essentially, the federal government is subsidizing up to 30% of the cost for you to go solar. So who is eligible? Great question. One, you've got to be a homeowner. And if you rent your property, then you got to be there part of the year to qualify. Two, your system must be brand new. And three, it's gotta be a system that you own. So cash or finance. Here's the cool part. The federal solar tax credit expires end of 2032. Bruh, high five for solar. Right now, I'm gonna give you the breakdown on the system costs. So let's say system cost was $35,000. Federal tax credit is 30%. All you will do is multiply, which means you can qualify up to $10,500 for this federal tax credit. Now, this is very important. I'm going to give two examples. Let's say you got a married couple doing their taxes. One couple is W-2 and the other is 1099. Gross income is $100,000 for both. Now you can apply deductions. Of $25,000. This will be the adjusted gross income, which means they're going to be taxed on $75,000, not $100,000. Effective tax rate, I'm going to use 12%. If you multiply 75,000 by 12%, this is their federal tax liability. But wait, the married couple who are they're both W-2, when they get their paychecks, typically they withhold federal taxes. So in this example, we're gonna just say $11,000 was withheld during the year. And these sales couple, they don't pay taxes during the year, typically, normally. So in this example here, guess what? The W-2 couple will get a refund of $2,000. Here, for the 1099 couple, guess what? They owe $9,000. So this is their federal tax liability. Now, in this example here, W-2, they won't be able to qualify for the tax credit because they're getting a refund. Here, you can apply $9,000 of that. Which means, in this example here, they won't be paying anything to the federal government. Why? Because they applied $9,000 of that towards their tax liability. They can carry over $1,500 next year. In this example here, because they don't qualify, they can still qualify next year, depending on their tax situation. If this makes sense, high five if it makes sense. Now that you saw both examples, is it still a good investment to go solar? Yes, all day, every day. For the W-2 couple, it might take a little bit longer to recoup their investment, but still it makes sense. For the 1099 couple, guess what? They're saving themselves $9,000 from paying the federal government just by installing solar and applying the federal tax credit. Plus, not to mention, property value goes up by up to 4%. That is a big deal. And you become, number two, you become your own electricity provider. 3, you avoid increasing rates at never-ending payments. And 4, it is cleaner and greener. It is good for the environment. Homeowners, if you're looking to get an estimate, power is currently in 22 states and Puerto Rico. I'm going to list the states in the description below. All you got to do is take a screenshot of your electricity bill and email it to us, and we can send you an estimate. And 2, if you're a seller looking for a career in the solar industry, like power, all you have to do in the comment below, type in solar career, and we'll send you the join link. We're looking forward to connecting. Spread the vibes and please subscribe. Aloha.